Welcome everyone. Today we are here at AFTC, Air Force Technical College, wherein we are going to see the passing out parade of aeronautical engineers who are going to be the part of the Indian Air Force. This is a special occasion where the future officers of Indian Air Force are starting their career. AFTC, that is Air Force Technical College, is having its passing out parade. It's always pleasure to witness this proud moment. This year, 39 officers are graduating, wherein 18 are male officers, 8 female officers, and 13 foreign officers from friendly foreign air forces. This year's topper, Flying Officer Prachi Jain, is leading the parade. The strength of Indian Air Force is backed by helicopters, transport aircrafts, missiles and radars. People who are graduating from AFTC are going to be the crucial part of Indian Air Force. Bengaluru is the technological hub. Technology and inventions happened in Bangalore are torchbearers for the world. AFTC, which is located in Jalahalli, Bengaluru, is also giving its share to the fulfillment of technological needs of Indian Air Force.
Colors are marched onto the parade ground, and thereafter, whenever the Nishan Toli or the color bearers march past the guys, all personnel in uniform are to salute as the color is marched past. Chaturvedi and Flying Officer Abhinay Rawat, who have been specially selected and trained by Kopal KK Kalita.
It came in existence on July 4, 1949, and in the year 1956, in the tenure of Group Captain M.J. Kriplani MBE, it flourished to its peak.
Ladies and gentlemen, Air Commodore Vijay Philip, Commandant Air Force Technical College, has arrived.
Today, Air Marshal V.R. Chaudhary is the chief guest and reviewing officer for the ceremony. He is awarded with Ati Vishisht Seva Medal and Vishisht Seva Medal. Currently, he is Air Officer, Commanding in Chief, Western Air Command.
दीक्षांत परेड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
AFTC plays a vital role in training aeronautical engineers. It is consistent in providing the best quality engineers to Indian Air Force. Indeed, providing its selfless service to Air Force and its motherland. The course, Post-Graduation Diploma in Aeronautical Engineering, is affiliated to Vishveshwaraya Technical University, Belgaum. Engineering graduates can opt this course by taking AFCAT entrance test.
Number 2 flight is commanded by Flying Officer Shivam Mishra.
शिक्षक विराट समीक्षा क्रम में आगे बढ़ गए मध्य से तेज चल
The reviewing officer will reward them with course certificates.
Squadron leader Nusrat Jahan from Bangladesh. Squadron leader Tharindu Madge from Sri Lanka. Captain Ali Sifash from Maldives. Captain Gideon Thayuma from Uganda. Flight Lieutenant Chamra Deshnaike from Sri Lanka. Flight Lieutenant Dhananjay D. Zolsa from Sri Lanka.
Flight Lieutenant Issa Dahiru from Nigeria. Flight Lieutenant Reginald Nuswa from Ghana. First Lieutenant Ibrahim Nadim Ahmed from Maldives. Lieutenant Geoffrey Rutasingwa from Uganda. Technical Lieutenant Arjun Magar from Nepal. Lieutenant Hongpei M. Janviya from Benin.
वैमानिकी अभियांत्रिकी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक शाखा में योग्यता क्रम में प्रथम स्थान प्राप्त करने के लिए वायुसेना अध्यक्ष पदक फ्लाइंग ऑफिसर प्राची जैन.
Chief of the Air Staff Command, First Aeronautical Engineering, Electronics Team, Flying Officer Prachi Jain.
Gentle
Genso! Genso!
व्यावसायिक विषयों में प्रथम स्थान
Gentle Gentle
Air Marshal V.R. Chaudhary shared his thoughts about AFTC and the way it is matching the requirements of Indian Air Force. He praised about the discipline, service and ethics of the student who have passed from this institution. He has also mentioned about the lineage of AFTC.
It is indeed an honor and a privilege to be here today at the passing out parade of the 95th AEC course. At the outset, I would like to convey my heartiest congratulations to the Commandant AFTC, directing staff, and all the graduating and trainee officers for an excellent parade, bearing and turnout. I congratulate you all on your individual and collective achievements, and my felicitations to all the award winners for displaying exceptional professional commitment and hard work throughout the training period. I can well appreciate how much effort you must have put, not only in this parade, but in your time at AFTC to reach this significant milestone. I know that this is a very special moment for you and for all your loved ones who, most regrettably, cannot be here in person, but thanks to modern technology, will be watching with immense pride from home. To all the families that have nurtured you and raised you to take on the challenges of life in the Air Force, I extend my gratitude for having supported you in your decision to join this magnificent service. 26 of you standing tall here on the parade ground had walked into the Air Force Academy only 18 months ago, mostly fresh out of college. The marvelous institutes of Air Force Academy and Air Force Technical College have transformed you into competent air warriors who are now ready to assume larger responsibilities. I would also like to congratulate the 13 officers of our friendly foreign countries who are graduating today along with you. I am sure that this 70-year-old premier training institution of the Indian Air Force has given you all a firm foundation on both aircraft and ground systems and has given sufficient exposure for all of you to perform efficiently wherever you may be deployed. I hope that the friendships that you have made and the understanding that you have gained of India will be maintained in the years to come. I am impressed that you all managed to continue with your training and reach this stage, given the complexities that the coronavirus pandemic has brought into every aspect of life. I fully understand that this would not have been easy and is a testament to the flexibility and determination of the faculty, staff, and each one of you. Remember that the same dedication, adaptability, and willingness to continually push yourself will be required time after time in your future career. The same high standards that you have shown today will form the basis of safe and effective operations in future, no matter what your role. An aeronautical engineer is considered to be the backbone for conduct of safe flying operations. It needs to be clearly understood by each one of you that effective air power is directly proportional to timely maintenance schedules and practices. Your role as AE officers in the field units should always be channelized towards ensuring that our airborne assets and ground-based systems are well maintained and operationally available at all times. This can be achieved through innovative ideas and out-of-the-box thinking. You will now be exposed to various systems of the Air Force inventory on which you will have to gain experience and meet the organizational goals. Remember that the character of war is undergoing a fundamental change. New technologies, radically new doctrines have emerged in the last few years. Much will be asked of you in the years ahead, particularly as our service shifts its weight increasingly towards space, cyber, data, and information warfare. You will be the leaders who will steer the Air Force into a new future. Today, as you graduate and move into an environment that is more challenging and technology intensive, the Air Force looks upon young, dynamic officers like you to carry forward the rich legacy of professional attitude, aptitude, and temperament shown by your seniors. We are on a cusp of transformation into a very highly potent Air Force, with new inductions such as the Rafales, Chinooks, Apaches, AD systems, surface-to-air guided weapons, and so on. The net-centric operational capabilities with the commissioning of the operational data links and software-defined radios will provide an unprecedented operational capability to the Air Force. In addition to the new inductions, the existing fleets of legacy systems also need to be maintained, which will be one of the most challenging tasks for you. Obsolescence, poor OEM support has increased the strain on our technical manpower, and we are proud of the committed and dedicated air warriors who maintain these systems so that they are operationally available at all times. You, as AE officers, will need to motivate and lead the technicians placed under you to put in the best to keep our assets in warfighting readiness at all times. A good AE officer will be recognized as one. The Air Force officer of today and tomorrow will also require understanding of the complex and changing world through the study of military history, economics, and international affairs.
This can only be made possible if you indulge yourself in inculcating good reading habits in the early years of your career. The Indian Air Force will give you enormous opportunities to perform, to excel, and to nurture your professional competence. As a military officer, remember you are bound to face certain hardships in your career. Never allow these hardships and constraints to affect you emotionally. There is an old adage that says, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. This should be the motto of your career, and you should always remain physically, emotionally, and mentally tough to meet any challenges in life. What does the Air Force expect from you as officers and commanders? We expect unquestionable personal integrity. We expect you to maintain the highest standards of personal conduct. We expect you to be fair, to have compassion, to be consistent, to be understanding, to have the courage, and of course, to live up to the core values that have been ingrained during your training. Integrity first, mission always, and excellence in whatever you do, keeping in mind service before self. So today is a joyous moment for you and your parents and family members. Also, it is a day when your ambitions and ideas will take wings and form an integral part of your life throughout your journey in the Air Force. You must not forget that you should always live up to the profound trust and faith that this organization has placed on your shoulders. Carry this responsibility with pride. You have earned the honor with hard work, and you have to retain it by displaying courage, initiative, respect, and good teamwork. As I congratulate you, I also pray that the qualities that have sustained you through the rigorous regime of Air Force Academy and Air Force Technical College will develop and mature under the sharper challenges of the field. I have every confidence that the training that you have received under the able and competent faculty will not fail you in the most difficult situations. I also express my complete confidence that you will carry with a proud and great resolution all the traditions, all the history and background of your predecessors into a world of infinite possibilities. I once again like to wish each one of you and your family members the very best in all times to come. Jai Hind.
दीक्षांत और दीक्षांत परेड को ले जाने की आगे दें श्रीमान।
देवी एवं सचिन कृपया अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें।
दीक्षांत टोली विशेष दीक्षांत को ले जाओ। दीक्षांत परेड सलामी शस्त्र
निशान तोले मत से
अपने सबसे महत्वपूर्ण एवं अंतिम चरण में प्रवेश करेगी। अब आपके समक्ष खड़े पास आउट हो रहे अफसर और लैंड सिम की धुन पर धीमी गति से मार्च करेंगे। इस विशेष चरण में पास आउट हो रहे अफसर जूनियर अफसरों से अपना प्रथम सैल्यूट प्राप्त करेंगे तथा निरीक्षण अधिकारी का अभिवादन करेंगे। धीमी गति से परेड ग्राउंड के प्रवेश द्वार से मार्च करना उनके वायुसेना तकनीकी कॉलेज से उत्तीर्ण होने का प्रतीक है।
We now come to the most solemn part of this graduation ceremony. Wing Commander Suhas Gore and Commander Vipula and to his left, Commander Akash Gupta.
शासन और परेड का भरपूर आनंद उठाया होगा। जय हिंद।
We thank our esteemed guests and parents for being with us this morning to witness the passing out parade, which was the result of the tireless efforts of GST team led by Wing Commander R.S. Patil and Junior Warrant Officer Sumesh P, Warrant Officer ICGST. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We hope you enjoyed the parade as much as we did while presenting it. Jai Hind.
AFTC is a prestigious institute based out of Jalahalli, Bengaluru. The students who have completed their technical degree come here through AFCAT and they go through a rigorous training of 18 months. After that, they'll be joining a secure career at Indian Air Force as a technicians.
AFTC की शान है 95
Indian Air Force. Touch the sky with glory. To be part of this prestigious institution, you can log on to careerairforce.nic.in.